Dagathong ban pentikena ya kajing syakri ke basalon sar bat kampaka halor ke HIV AIDS hakaleng ke jela Meghalaya kamtam hakijaka bajingai bat kibaduna kajing syakri nakaliang ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hene kesngi krano Syniang daga kali Bolero syaka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Max. Yakane ke kali la IT da Additional Secretary jangka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Malthus Sangma Harangkat jong usyong kunor Thomas Sangma syau Dr. Walambok Langste Project Director Max. Yakani kekalipat ansa IT syaka Meghalaya State Network of Positive People MSNP Plus hakaba en pendan kam naga benta ban bot de ni kitu ki badan kam ya kajing arab nalor ki we pat ki kam ki bayadei bat kani kajing syakri. Malthus ulaong kani kasen jam kabaret na kaying Dorbar Thaw kejela hapo kajing alam usyong kunor banyarap begitu ki badan kam hok ha kajing Iakhun persya ya ke HIV AIDS ha kejela.
Today we have handed over one Bolero, Mahindra Bolero car to Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. That is on behalf of the Honorable Speaker. I have the honor to hand it over to the officials from the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. And it is their long cherished dream to have a vehicle which can travel even to the rural areas in catering to the needs of those who are contracted with HIV and their treatment, who find it difficult to collect their treatment materials from Shillong, so that these people can go to the doorstep of those people who are in need in the villages and the rural areas. So I think this small gesture from the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and the courtesy Honorable Speaker will have a long way in catering to the needs of the people in combating the AIDS and HIV virus.